Here I bring to you ApeCoin price prediction for 2022, 2025, and 2030. When we take a close look at the crypto market, we get the sense that it is not doing badly at all, but rather, it is doing very well. In addition, it is the perfect moment to make some predictions. Any altcoin must be evaluated in the context of the overall market climate and Bitcoin performance. First, let us look at what this is all about before we go into the price predictions. We will try to answer these frequently asked questions. Is ApeCoin a good investment? How much will ApeCoin be worth in 2025? Or how much will ApeCoin be worth in 10 years? ApeCoin is an ERC-20 governance and utility token used within the APE ecosystem to empower and incentivize a decentralized community building at the forefront of Web3. ApeCoin holders govern themselves via the decentralized governance framework controlling the ApeCoin DAO, and vote on how the ApeCoin DAO ecosystem fund should be used. The APE Foundation administers proposals agreed upon by ApeCoin holders. The live ApeCoin price today is $12.26 with a 24-hour trading volume of 4,931,770,267 US dollars. ApeCoin is up 1,123.33% in the last 24 hours. The current coin market cap ranking is number 39, with a live market capital of $3,402,099,241 US dollars. It has a circulating supply of 277,500,000 APE coins, and a maximum supply of 1 billion APE coins. If you would like to know where to buy ApeCoin, the top cryptocurrency exchanges for trading in ApeCoin stock are currently Binance, OKX, Hotcoin Global, Mandala Exchange, and BitGet. ApeCoin price prediction this year 2022. In 2022, with more adoption and partnerships between other important blockchain networks, the price of ApeCoin would skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach 43 cents in 2022. The price ranges are going to be very trendy if we keep it that way. If everything goes well, we can expect an average price of 39 cents with a maximum price of 43 cents for 2022. Ape price prediction next year 2023. Ape will be seen as a better option, and with the huge community ApeCoin price will touch new highs. The price fluctuations are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2023, the price of ApeCoin will be almost 54 cents. The maximum price that we can get is 66 cents. ApeCoin average price forecast at the end of 2023 can be around 56 cents. A huge price turnover is expected within the range defined by the crypto market. Ape price prediction 2024. The ApeCoin value will increase because of the efforts of the network developers and community investors. Therefore, the calculated price for the year 2024 is bullish. Ape was anticipated to touch a maximum price level of 93 cents by the end of 2024, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is highly optimistic that the ApeCoin's future will ultimately grow. Therefore, the predicted average price of Ape will be around 76 cents to 78 cents is expected in 2024 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the Ape's maximum price ranges from 76 cents to 93 cents for 2024. Ape price prediction 2025. A seamless approach to this currency may be found on many websites and forums. In the opinion of this prediction platform, ApeCoin will steady at its current price for a very long time to come. By 2025, the Ape is expected to be worth a maximum value of $1.32. The minimum price can go up to $1.07 if the market gets bullish. ApeCoin price prediction 2026. Ape have huge potential, with certain collaborations and innovations may increase the number of users and adoption. If the market concentrates on investing in ApeCoin, the price might rise much higher. By 2026, it can reach a maximum value of $1.83. It is expected that the Ape will turn around a little bit if the market goes down. The year 2026 can end with an average price of $1.53 with a minimum price of $1.48. And the maximum price of $1.83. Ape price prediction 2027. For long-term ApeCoin price predictions, basic analysis is essential. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers a few. The digital economy's autonomy makes it ideal. As dApps and stable coins develop, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a chance that the average price of Ape will rise to about $2.22 by 2027 if more investors are attracted to the idea. For 2027, the year can end with a maximum price of $2.56 with a minimum price level of $2.16. ApeCoin price prediction 2028. It appears that by 2028, ApeCoin prices will have reached a level similar to their previous all-time high. By 2028, we may expect an average price of $3.23. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted the maximum price of ApeCoin could be up to $3.76 in 2028. Of course, there are chances that the market will dump after a long bull run, and it is normal for cryptocurrency market. Ape price prediction 2029. There are signs that the crypto market is about to enter a new age. Certain that the long-term price prediction for Ape's price will soar since there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2029 can end with an average price of $4.60 and a minimum price value of $4.47. The maximum price is expected to be trading around $5.51. ApeCoin price prediction 2030. ApeCoin present price range might interest many traders, and because of this, Ape can reach $7.68 by 2030 with substantial cooperation with financial institutions if the following requirements are satisfied. With an average price of $6.62 for 2030, it can beat the latest price trend to reach new highs. The price tagline can vary as the crypto market can see another bullish trend on its way to 2030. ApeCoin price prediction 2031. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today, it is not easy to forecast and keep up with the current pricing. Many crypto analysts come into play in this regard. The pricing forecasts are correct for the mentioned years. Crypto consumers are still concerned about the crypto bans and new restrictions. ApeCoin price may cross $11.03 if the market sees a good bull run in 2031. Given that it is expected to be held by long-term investors, its average price for 2031 will be around $9.44. Here are the most frequently questions asked from investors about ApeCoin. Is ApeCoin a good investment? Consider investing in ApeCoin if you are considering digital currencies. A long-term investment in the currency may prove to be extremely beneficial, and it's projected to hit its all-time high in the next few years if everything goes well. How much will ApeCoin be worth in 2025? Many platforms and analysts think that the price of ApeCoin will continue to grow in the next 5 years, surpassing the $1.53 mark by the end of 2025. Even though the price seems like a stretch, you never know. APE and other cryptocurrencies are very volatile and can change direction at any time. How much will ApeCoin be worth in 10 years? There is a considerably higher chance that the price of ApeCoin will increase to $9.44 in 10 years. The value of one ApeCoin can surpass a minimum price of $9.18 and maximum price of $11.03 within next 8 to 10 years. Here is my closing line. This is the most up-to-date prediction we have for ApeCoin. With a strong trend, it appears that APE will conclude the year on a high note. The previous price analysis is used to assess the given numbers, which are based on observational data. So before investing, do your homework.